Welcome to our guide on zero-based budgeting. Today, we're simplifying how to take complete control of your finances. Do you feel like your money disappears before the month ends? It's time for a different approach. Zero-based budgeting is a method where you account for every single dollar of your income until you reach exactly zero. The core concept is simple. Your total monthly income minus all expenses and savings should equal zero. No money is left unaccounted for. Ready to begin? Let's walk through the initial setup steps to get your numbers organized. First, list every source of your monthly income. Be accurate and include all paychecks, bonuses, or side income. Next, write down every single expense you expect this month. From fixed costs to irregular spending, leave nothing out. Now that you have your totals, let's look at how to put your money to work effectively. The goal is to give every dollar a specific job. Don't leave any money sitting aimlessly in your account. Start by funding your essentials. Rent, mortgage, utilities, and groceries must be covered before anything else. Next, allocate funds toward your savings goals and any debt repayment plans you currently have in motion. Keep adjusting your category amounts until the final balance of your income minus expenses is zero. Once the budget is set, the real work is staying consistent throughout the month. Track your spending daily. Logging every purchase helps you stay within your limits and catch overspending early. Life happens. If an unexpected cost arises, move money from one category to another to keep the budget balanced. At month end, review what you spent versus what you planned. This helps you refine your budget for next month. By tracking every cent, you gain clarity and turn financial anxiety into financial confidence. The primary benefit of this method is knowing exactly where your money goes, which helps you reach your financial goals faster. Don't wait. Grab a notebook or a spreadsheet and start building your first zero-based budget today. You can do this.